Hello guys, my name is Kev and today I'm going to walk you through with Phoenix DAO. We have a new functionality integrated that we can now assign with Numio. So I have a working application of Numio in my hand and I'm going to scan a QR with my Numio app and the tab will allow me to log in with the Numio credentials. Wait for the QR to be appear and then we will scan the QR. Okay, so now I think I have been logged in with the Numio and you can see that Numio has shared all the information like my name and email. This is a dashboard. Latest proposals, voting results and transaction history will be appear here, and from this portion I will be able to submit the new proposals. Okay, let's click on it and you can see that my information is already here like my name, my email. Let's select a profession and country and GitHub repository. Click next and this modal is for proposal description. So let's give a project name, let's say BlockX, and why I need funds to create a DAO. Okay, importance of this proposal, very important. Experience, let's say 1 year experience, collateral is 10, and description. Let's say next, and this modal is for proposal milestone. So now I am creating a milestone, let's say Exot 2.0, estimated days, let's say 60. Developers working, let's say 10, and the fund I need is, let's say 20,000 Phoenix. Okay, now I have to give a description, let's say description here, and I'm adding a milestone. I can add another milestone from here, let's say Phoenix DAO 2.0, estimated days, let's say 50, developers working 20, and 1000 Phoenix, and description. Adding another milestone, and if I want to edit or delete, I can do it right now. But now I'm going to submit it and agree and confirm it from MetaMask. Okay, let's just wait for the confirmation and we will have a proposal on our dashboard. Okay, so the transaction has been confirmed, and if I want to see it on Etherscan, I will be able to do it right now and wait for the data reflection here. Okay, so transaction has been successful, and now I will go back to dashboard and see if my proposal has been accepted or not. So the proposal will be accepted by the community and we have to wait for the confirmation. Okay, and once it's accepted, it will be appear in the proposals. So if I move here, we can see that our proposal has been accepted. So now I need two upvotes on this proposal. Okay, it's 0 2. If I upvote here, I will have one upvote, but I have to wait for the second. So I have my partner here and he will upvote my proposal, and let's just wait for the second upvote. Once it's done, it will move towards voting, and we can see that it's moved here. Okay, and if I click on it, I have it said that voting date is 2nd July. And why I got this date? Because my proposal has appeared here before 15, and if my proposal have appeared here before 15, I will get the date of next month. And if my proposal is appeared here after 15, like 16, 17, or 20, so I will get the date of next month. Okay, so right now if I click on vote now, it's telling me that the date has not been reached yet and I have to wait for the date. But the backend developers are moving this proposal to the next phase, so I will be able to show you that how you can move forward. Okay, so let's see if it's moved or not. Okay, so now I can vote now. Okay, if I click vote now, you can see that this modal has came from staking Phoenix. So users will be able to stake their Phoenix tokens as they are voting on this proposal. So let's say the quantity is 100 and I am staking it for 10 days. If I hit confirm stake, okay, so now I have staked my Phoenix token as I am voting on this proposal. Okay, so I have voted it, and to accept it, I have to achieve 51%. Let's say if any proposal have reached towards 50-50, so this proposal will be moved in the observation in on the community. And let's say we have two proposals, both are on 50-50. So these two proposals will move towards the community observation, and it is upon them. They can select both of them, they can reject both of them, or they can select any one of them. But right now, our developers are forwarding this to the 51%. So we will have our proposal on the active project right now. Let's wait for them to move this. Okay, the voting dates are only 2, 3, and 4 every month. Okay, so now my proposal has been moved towards active proposal, and we can see that we have two milestones here. And if I go towards my projects, I can see that my active proposals are appeared here, and if I have any other proposals which are not active and active, all of them will be appeared here. So right now I have active proposal here and the reward. If I have stake any Phoenix on any proposal, it will be appeared here. Okay, so I have just staked my Phoenix 100 Phoenix on a proposal, so that's why it's appearing here. On my project, these are the milestones. If I hit enter complete on this milestone, it will move towards the admin, and they will check my repository or my work to make it complete, and the milestone will be completed here. So let's say I'm completing it right now, and it's on pending and in observation. And if admin has accept my milestone completion, it will be completed here. So I'm going to complete both of them. Okay, so my first milestone has been accepted by admin, and let's just wait for the second one. If I click on submit updates, I have to provide a date here. My second milestone is still in pending. Once it's the both milestone has been completed, I my project has been moved towards the completed projects. It will be appeared here also. Let's move towards here and here again, and you can see that the proposal has been disappeared from here because it's completed, and but it will be appeared here as all of milestone has been completed. On the dashboard, now we can see the data like proposals, and the transaction history is also appeared here. Okay guys, thank you so much.